Hello there. This is another one of those math videos for us to practice our multiplication facts and know them in a snap. So this video is going to be practicing our 2 facts and our 5 facts. It's a great place to start if you haven't watched any other multiplication facts. We are just going to test to see, do you know your 2's and 5's? So I encourage you to pause, get ready to pause this video after we practice a fact. And then if it's one that you didn't know, jot it down so you can make a flashcard and practice. Because watching these videos is great, but most of the work will be you practicing flashcards on your own and then coming back to check to see if you know it yet. Now, if you already watched my 2's videos and practice, great. If you already practiced my 5 fact videos, that's awesome too. This will be a good kind of middle point for you if you don't do good on this video to watch the other ones, or this is a good video to watch to practice to see if you're better than you were before. So we talked about in 3rd grade, do you remember the facts we want you to know right away? Not all of them randomly. You want to start with your 2's, your 5's, and then go to your 3's and 4's and 10's. And if you know those facts, like hopefully 3rd graders, you'll know them by the end of this year. Then you move on to, 6 facts, 7, 8, 9. Those ones are a little harder. But, facts like 5 times 9 won't be that hard because it is a 5 fact that we practice. So the 2 facts and 5 facts, there's actually like 28 facts here, but so many of them are overlapping because, 2 times 5 is a 2 and a 5 fact. 2 times 7 is one that we'll learn. If you know 2 times 7 with the commutative property, you would also know 7 times 2, which would be over here. So that's why it doesn't show up. So I'm going to just not teach much today. This is going to be just practicing. So after you do your 2's and 5's, if you are awesome and you get all of these ones right, check out my other videos on the mixed tricky facts. I give you 5 facts that are kind of random, and then 5 more facts that are random and a little bit harder. So check those one after this, if you're pretty good at your 2's and 5's. So there's 15 facts we're going to test right now. So get ready to pause it. Get a piece of paper and pencil out for you to just write down the fact that you didn't know right away, right? Like if I ask you, what's your name? Boom, you just say it, right? So all these facts you should know in less than 3 seconds. So then when you get to math next year in your classroom, you will be ready to answer these basic questions to help you solve really hard word problems in math. So here we go. These are 2's and 5's mixed. So it might be a 2 fact, it might be a 5 fact. You just got to be ready to answer it. Do you have your piece of paper and pencil to jot down the ones you don't know? Okay. If you don't, pause it right now. Okay. I think you're ready. Here we go. 2 times 5, 10. Good. That's a 5 and a 2 fact. Okay, we're going to just keep going. 35. 14. Here's another one. 16. 25. 6. 5 times 3. 15. How's it going? Pretty good? If you are getting a lot of these wrongs, don't worry that you will watch another video on the 2's and the 5's. If you got most of them right, let's keep going. 40. 12. 30. I hope you're saying it before it shows up. 18. Easy. 4. 45. 20. 8. Okay, so that's it. We just did our 2's and 5's. If you got all of those right, I'm excited for you to try some of these tricky facts. I made a multiplication video, and I'll link it on a card here to show, to pop up, called Multiplication Tricky Facts. I got some ones from week 1, week 2, and I'm going to make another mixed facts so we can cover all of these kind of trickier ones before you get ready for next year. So again, we want to practice these 2's and our 5's. What's after that? Your 10's, I think you know. I don't know if you need a video of that. I'll make one on the 3's and 4's. So if you just did awesome on this video of your 2's and 5's, then we can do the tricky facts or get ready for 3's and 4's. And then you'll have some time to practice. Watching these videos is great, but most of you learning will be from making a flashcard and practicing. So we're going to, now I'm going to make 5 new facts for you to do. And we'll practice our 2's, our 3's and 4's if you're great at the 2's and 5's. If you miss some of these 2's and 5's, you write down your piece of paper and then make a flashcard of it. And you practice it over and over. And I made a video about how to make flashcards too. So I hope you're getting better. Are you better at these facts now? I really hope this has helped. I miss you guys so much. Keep practicing and, being great.